you a job seeker leveraging LinkedIn? Well, there is a brand new LinkedIn algorithm update that you need to know. This is going to help hiring companies and recruiters reach out to you faster, but you have to take action steps, and that's why I made this video, so you can be aware of the new algorithm change. Let's get right into it. If you've watched me for some time, yes, I'm changing my background. I hope you guys love it.
This video contains insider LinkedIn strategies you won't hear anywhere else. Watch at your own risk. Your profile's about to level up.
Now, this is not something you're going to hear from other recruiters, other hiring companies, career coaches, most likely because they don't have a license for this tool I'm showing you, which is Recruiter. It's part of LinkedIn, where I can find great candidates like yourself for a job that I'm hiring for. Now, when I help professionals in my job search optimization program, I am giving them all of the updates that LinkedIn is doing. They're changing a lot of things. I want to show you this quick one here, which is engaged in job market. So when you hover on this, you're going to see what it says. Candidates who have shared a profile update a public resume on LinkedIn are replying to emails or work at a company that may be experiencing layoffs. So this person, this candidate, has showed that she's taking action steps on the platform. And what is a recruiter going to think when they look at this, engaged in job market? Meaning, oh yes, okay, I'm going to send a message to them. Perfect, because they align. They are looking for a job. I don't want someone that's not looking for a job. If you're new to this channel, I'm Rita Baroody, career success coach, recruiter. I made this channel to share the best strategies and for you to land a job faster. Please subscribe and I'll continue to add more value to you. So this is my recommendation to you. Make sure that you are applying to jobs on LinkedIn, but you're being super, super strategic. That's what it takes to build a great network on LinkedIn, not just mass applying. That's not going to produce results. What will produce results is strategically applying. Make a list of your top 10 companies, apply, take action steps. Do not just apply, but take action steps after and connect with the hiring authorities. And make sure that you continue to apply, because if you don't, this will not show up on your profile. And the hiring company might just skip your profile and not send you a message because they don't even know that you're open for a new opportunity. Hiring companies want to talk to candidates that are open. Keep that in mind. It will show that you're engaged in the job market. There's a high likelihood of interest because you've applied on LinkedIn and the algorithm is capturing that. Now, if you're thinking, I don't have enough time to chase the algorithm, this is a lot to keep up with. You're right. Most job seekers don't realize how much LinkedIn has changed and how quickly it's evolving. That's exactly why I created my course, LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers. It's the exact system I've used to help thousands of professionals optimize their profile, have hiring companies and recruiters reach out to them without chasing the algorithm. Inside, I walk you through how to fully optimize each section, from your headline, your about section, your experience, skills. Everything you need is in this course, and it's going to save you a lot of time and energy, and you won't have to rely on anyone else for any updates. I'll have a link in my video description for you to purchase it today. And I'm including an exclusive coupon code only for those that have viewed this video. I'll also include that in the description. I hope to see you next week.